here. So now, blocking is optional, but I do recommend, because these little points that want to curl will be, you can get them to point out and hold their shape a lot better when it's done. So what you want to do, it's very simple. You can get scissors and cut this string off. I cut it about that far and just kind of weave it back through that cast off a bit. Do the same with the cast on, but if you use the Russian join like I'd suggested, there shouldn't be any more strings to weave in through the entire project. Do that, and then you want to take and soak it in cold water, get it really, really wet, and then you don't want to take and wring the water out like this. You want to take and kind of maybe fold it up because it's so large. Put a towel underneath, put this on top, put a towel on top, and then I just stand on it. I go like that and push as much of the water out as I possibly can. Then find a good place where you can lay it out flat and possibly pin it down if you need to. Alright, so I have this, I had it soaked and I laid it out flat, and now I'm blocking it. I'm going to show you on the table what I've done. I've got one point down here, to still block. You zoom in on it. Okay. Got this one point still to block. Show you what I'm doing with the points. You can see where the garter is coming down through. I just kind of put the pin in that very end, and then I just pin it down like that and let it dry. Now you don't want to pin it to where, let me zoom back out so I can show you. I blocked this pretty firm, but see, there's still plenty of give to it. You don't want to pin it to where it's just real stiff and real tight, because you want it to have that give to where you can it'll lay nice. And see, when you do that, you can just kind of easily straighten these out however you want without using a lot of pins. It's a pretty easy project to block. Like the points, it's not necessary to pin them down. You can just kind of lay it flat and let it do its own thing if you'd like. Or you can pin it like I did. Now I'm going to let this lay probably overnight and dry. I'll show you all of it. Oh, zoom all the way out. See, it's